Somewhere along the line, these B's and double B's went from a little risky to dog shit. Where's the trash? I'm talking rock bottom FICO scores.
A rock bottom FICO score, that means everyone who are living in this area, their credit score are in the lowest. That means they are not willing to pay for their own interest rates or for their mortgage.
No income verification.
And they had also no income verification. What that means, everyone who lived in this area, they had no proof on how they are making money constantly. So whoever want to live there, they can do that even if they don't have any job or anything similar.
Adjustable rates, dog shit.
Adjustable rates, that means if you have a loan today from a bank and you're paying them $1,000 per month for 5 years, after 5 years, they will start to increase the interest rate. So you will start to pay like $1,200 per month, or it could be also $800. But most of the time, it will start to increase for interest. So how these individuals who has a low credit score and they have no income verification, which that means they don't have any job or anything similar to pay for their own mortgage, how they will start to pay for this interest rate up to the interest rate?
The default rates are already up from 1 to 4%, fellas.
That's why the default rate, it has already increased it up between 1 to 4% because they are not willing to buy for their adjusted rates. Default rate means that individuals who are living in this area, what the risk that they will not pay for their own interest or for their own loans or for their own mortgage. And it has already increased it up to between 1 to 4%, which that means there is a huge opportunity that the mortgage market will start to crash down. And that's why the Big Short, it was an opportunity.